In this video, I'll show you how to use your Revolut card abroad. If you're not in your home country and you're still trying to use the Revolut card, let me tell you a few things that you need to know. Revolut is a popular platform and its cards are accepted in more than 150 currencies. You can use in 150 currencies and you can withdraw cash from over 55,000 ATMs in the world. Now, in order to use Revolut abroad, the few things that you need to know is you'll have a plan depending on what the card that you have for Revolut. So if you have a standard card, plus card, premium card, metal card, or an ultra card, these charges or these exchange rate or these exchanges also differ during the weekdays and during the weekends. Now, if you have a standard card, you have a limit of £1,000 per month. If you have a plus card, you will have a limit of £3,000 per month. But if you go beyond that, it's going to be free and you don't have a limit. Similar to that, on the weekends is going to be a bit different. You're going to get a fee on the weekends if you exceed the £1,000 limit. And on the plus account or the plus card, you're going to get a 0.5% charge if you exceed the £3,000 limit. Now, similar to that, if you're trying to withdraw from ATMs, you will have a withdrawal limit. So for a standard card, you will have a £2,000 withdrawal limit and so on. Now, if you exceed these limits, you're going to get a charge of 2% of the total amount of money that you withdraw from the ATM. So make sure you keep these things in mind when you're trying to use the Revolut card abroad. I hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.